Hi lovelies, welcome to my channel Sensible Lily. Have you ever experienced itchy scalp, dandruff or just dirty hair or dirty scalp in general? If yes, this may be due to product built up in your hair. So today I'll be giving you a very simple, quick and effective DIY solution which will take care of this product buildup from your scalp and can give you that luscious and clean scalp and hair. Basically, when we are using so many chemical products on our hair like shampoo, conditioner, serums, masks, oils, etc. on a daily basis, the chemicals in those products get accumulated on our hair and actually on our scalp. You know, scalp is nothing but the skin, and if you're blocking the pores of the skin, they can't breathe. So we have to take care of cleaning the dead cells and the product buildup from our scalp regularly or periodically. You know, there are commercial clarifying shampoos available which can do this job for you. I have seen plenty of videos on YouTube which state the use of baking soda as hair scrub for clarifying the scalp. But the problem with baking soda is it is so alkaline in nature that it disturbs the pH balance of the scalp. So I have a very simple and effective DIY solution for you all today, and we are going to use just 2 ingredients, and I am assuring you that this will give you results at par with the best commercial clarifying shampoos. So now without further ado, let's dive right into the recipe. For this recipe, we are going to need just a tablespoon of shikekai powder. Yes, you heard it right. Shikekai powder is been traditionally used to cleanse the scalp and clean the hair, and it does its job really well. So, and the most important part is it is having the pH on slightly acidic side, means closer to the natural pH of the scalp. So we will be using a tablespoon of shikekai powder. Then I'm going to add a little bit of water to make a thick paste, not at all a runny paste but a thick paste of that shikekai powder with water. We just need to get it into the proper consistency. See, this is how it should look. Now the next ingredient, we will need any of a mild shampoo of your choice. I'll be using this Just Herbs 18-1 Root Nourishing Amla Neem shampoo. This is a very gentle shampoo and it's sulfate free. The another option I have is this Wow Coconut Milk shampoo. You can use any shampoo which is lying around you. Just add a little bit. I literally mean it, little bit. See, enough. Whatever you use for your daily shampoo, just 1/4 of it you'll need, and see how it turns. This is how it should look. If you want, you can add a little more water to make it look more shampoo like. So you can adjust the consistency as per your liking. Now this is what the final product is. See, just use it as your regular shampoo and tell me the difference. The particles of shikekai powder helps to scrub away all the dead skin, all the dead cells and the product built up from the scalp, letting it breathe, and due to which your pores get cleaned up and your hair feel more lively and bouncy. You can skip the conditioner altogether if you want to give your hair a break from the chemical laden products. Just let them dry naturally. Don't put serum, don't put oil, nothing. The next wash you can follow your same shampoo, conditioner, serum procedure, but for this wash you may skip conditioner if you don't condition your hair, but from the length from here to here. Okay, don't put your conditioner, never put your conditioner rather on your roots or scalp. It develops a very bad product buildup and it will hamper the hair growth. So if you are facing the problem with your hair growth, if you are facing dull and limp hair, do give this recipe a shot and do let me know how it fared out for you in the comments below. Keep watching Sensible Lily. I'll see you soon with the next one. Bye bye.